the divine which is present in every particle of this creation, in everyone's heart, salutation to that divinity that makes the whole world a place of unity in diversity. I humbly accept this award. You know, awards give you sleepless nights. It only reminds you of your greater responsibility. A pearl has no value without a string, and a string has no value, not much value, if there are no pearls in it. I think the Priyadarshini Academy is like those string which is stringing all the pearls together. All great people in different walks of life has been furrowed, means has been woven into a string where it becomes a mala. Nani Krupani ji, let me congratulate you, and Hiranandani ji, Niranjan Hiranandani ji, and all others who are associated with this prestigious institute and with this prestigious award. You are just collecting all the pearls of the creation and then stringing them in one string so it becomes more adorable for the entire humanity. एक माला के धागे का कोई इतना वैल्यू नहीं होता है, वैसे फूल जब तक धागे में फिरोता नहीं है वो माला नहीं बन सकता। माला बनता तो माला फिरोते हैं और सिद्धि को प्राप्त करते हैं। We attain the highest best for the society when everyone work together, whether people in business and industry or entertainment industry, politics, and social work and faith and religious community, we all part of a greater vision of better humanity and a better society to come. So let me congratulate all others who are with me on this journey today. We all together have one vision to make the world a better place. A stress-free, violence-free world is what we all aspire. We have to, as Nitinji has said, we have to see a glorious future and present. And this country and elsewhere in the world, all that we want is smiles. Every face should exuberate smiles and happiness. Post-pandemic, this is a very big issue. Mental health has been a big issue which World Health Organizations have already been declared. Now, without attending to the inner self, our spiritual or mental aspect, we cannot create a healthy and happy society. We need infrastructure, we need prosperity, and prosperity and peace, they go together. Wherever there is peace, prosperity happens, and where there is prosperity, peace automatically comes. And so dear Adani, Gautam Bhai, and many others who are all there today working for the betterment of the country, Piyush Goyal ji, and a spirit which is undying in Suresh Prabhu ji. He is always in high spirit, always want to do the best for the society. With all our intentions, I am sure we'll be able to give a better world to the present and future generation. With these few words, I once again thank you all. Namaste, Om Shanti.